Hi everybody! Welcome to this year's gift card workshop. We hope to get you inspired and excited for the gift card season and provide you with all the necessary tools for a successful selling season for 2018. Did you know that 50% of all gift cards nationally are sold in the last quarter of the year? That's October, November, and December. Our focus for this November and December will be our Black Friday BOGO event and our holiday gift card promotion. Now, I'm sure you've already begun to talk gift cards within your spa. So let's begin with this year's Black Friday BOGO event. This year's Black Friday BOGO offer is open to all clients, whether they're members or guests, on Friday, November 23rd, 2018. The offer is purchase one regular classic facial gift card and get another regular price classic facial gift card for free, with a limit of 2 BOGOs per client. Now please note, BOGOs do vary by location. So a great way to draw attention to your BOGO offer is to always begin your conversations with, have you earned your free promotional gift card yet? So start pre-selling the BOGOs now. Keep track of your own personal sales on your tracking sheet. We suggest preparing a clipboard with your BOGO counter card offering, an individual BOGO pre-order form for the client, and your gift card sell sheet. After asking each client, have you earned your free promotional gift card yet? You can present them with the clipboard to look over before they go in for their services, and again at ring out if they didn't have an opportunity to pre-order earlier. Now this will give them an opportunity to look things over without taking up time at the front desk. Remember, you may be both checking clients in and ringing clients out at the same time. So let's break the scripting down. It's important to begin with, have you earned your free promotional gift card yet? Let the client know. This coming Black Friday, you can purchase up to 2 BOGO gift cards and get 2 free. Suggest to them you have the option to pre-order your BOGO gift cards now to avoid having to come back and deal with the long lineups or the parking. And you can pick up your gift cards later at your convenience anytime after November 23rd. We'll put your credit card on file, but we won't charge it until we process the orders starting November 21st. So let's get ready for success. You want to make sure and ensure that you have sufficient supplies to be ready for the demand. Be sure to have labels made with the to be redeemed at and offer expires March 31st, 2019 to affix to the back of the card. Get comfortable with your pitch. Use it with every phone call, walk-in, and appointment. Pre-sell and keep track of your own personal sales on your tracking sheet. As well, keep a running total of team gift card sales and use your gift card sales board. What's your target? Let's get prepared. Host a team party or meeting to review your BOGO offer. Get creative with holiday spa decorating and for your gift card sales board challenge. Role play with scripting and memorize, have you earned your free promotional gift card yet? Be sure you understand the rules of the promotional gift cards. Promo gift cards can only be redeemed at issuing spas. The BOGO promotion is available only at participating spas. And be aware of your spa's BOGO offer, as they may differ by location. Ensure to communicate with every purchase that the promotional gift card is for in-spa redemption only and expires March 31st, 2019. So once we begin processing pre-orders, we strongly suggest that 1 or 2 people are responsible for processing all the pre-orders beginning November 21st. Ensure you have a client or gift card filing system in place for easy retrieval when clients come to pick them up. Ensure the Millennium ticket authorizing the use of the credit card is affixed to the gift cards, as this must be signed by the credit card holder when picking up the gift cards. Please note, gift cards cannot be mailed out. So, some helpful tips for in-spa purchases on Black Friday or the weekend, depending on your offer. Have sufficient staff available to manage both the gift card sales demand and your current services happening at that time. Have your clipboards ready with individual BOGO order forms. As well, a suggestion could be that one computer is designated as the gift card ring out only. Remind everybody there's a limit of 2. Create the urgency, the call to action. Please review the ring out procedures with the entire team so that everyone is clear and confident on the day of the Black Friday or the weekend. Be sure to ring out the purchase gift card first and then click New for the promotional gift card and use the corporate payment type. Encourage ongoing or regular group discussions for the next week to be able to recognize and evaluate your team's strengths and weaknesses to help each other out. Are you struggling with getting pre-orders? Do you find the customers are saying no? Are they telling you that they're going to think about it, or that they'll come back on Black Friday? Don't be so easy to believe them. Chances are very good they won't be back. So, once Black Friday is over and BOGOs are complete, we immediately begin our holiday gift card campaign. This year's promotion is purchase a minimum $150 gift card and receive a free facial gift card. Check your inventory of the necessary supplies that you'll need for the duration of the gift card selling season. That's right up to and including New Year's Eve. Make sure everyone is familiar with the spa packages to be able to present 1 or 2 of them, and always finish off with, and my favorite, be sure to have new labels created with the applicable valid from January 1st through to April 30th, 2019 to affix to the back of the promotional gift card. As we learned throughout this webinar, we are going to open all conversations with, have you earned your free promotional gift card yet? Gift card shoppers don't always announce themselves as such. They may not even realize they want to purchase a gift card. This means we no longer want to discuss or explain the introductory offers, either in person or on the phone, unless of course they're booking an appointment. One of the biggest challenges when selling gift cards is overcoming the introductory offer. So be sure to remove any marketing materials like your win sign or your A-frame or any bullet posters, cards, etc. throughout the spa. To be able to overcome the request for the introductory pricing on a gift card, memorize and coach each other word for word. The introductory offer is a great offer that is separate from our gift card program. This is an offer that you can take advantage of yourself. You can buy gift cards at our preferred rates with our lifestyle program. Otherwise, our gift cards are sold at regular prices. So be ready to use your membership pitch too. Start each shift by reviewing your pitch. Respond with confidence and certainty. If you seem unsure, the customer will be confused and may even walk away. Once we establish that the client is interested in buying a gift card, we want to start off with letting them know of our current promotion. Wonderful! We have great packages, and with a minimum of a $150 gift card purchase, you receive a free classic gift card free to treat yourself. Begin your gift card presentation with your spa packages sell sheet. Place it on the counter in front of them. Give a brief overview of 2 or 3 of the packages as you are pointing them out. Always finish off with suggesting your favorite. Then ask, which of these would you like? As busy as we get, it is important to allow the client to absorb and be the one to say something next. If they say something like, I wasn't thinking of spending that much, or I was interested in just a massage, you then will turn the sell sheet over. And you'll lead with, you can also purchase individual services, like an 80-minute massage, or add an enhancement to an individual service to make it more custom. Again, you will allow the client to absorb and wait for them to say something next. The fatal falls of selling gift cards. Be sure not to ask, do you know what you want? Do you have an idea of how much you want to spend? Do you want a gift card for a service or a cash amount? By opening with any of these types of questions, you are missing out on the opportunity to offer the spa packages. So train and role play and communicate. Remember, by starting each shift with reviewing your gift card pitch and overcoming the introductory offer, this will ensure the entire team responds with confidence and certainty. Start with the spa packages, then turn over to the individual a la carte services, and, if necessary, end with a cash card. Again, reviewing the Ring Out Millennium instructions together as a team, understanding the gift cards that are being used, the way you are packaging the gift cards ensures the team is in sync and will be successful for the season. So new to Hand and Stone this year are our promotional gift cards. These are going to be great to identify for both the recipient and for the spa associate upon redemption. These are to be used for the free classic facials for both the BOGO event and the holiday promotion. Be sure to ring out the regular gift card first, then use the promo card as a second card purchase. So as a review, to ensure everyone understands how these cards work, the BOGO promo cards expire March 31st, 2019. The holiday promo cards are valid from January 1st through to April 30th, 2019. You must ring up the regular gift card first, then the promotional card. The promotional gift cards can only be redeemed at the issuing spa. It's the type of the gift card, for example, the Xmas 2018, that stops the card from being transferred within central office, not the barcode. So let's get going. Let's host that team meeting. Get the creative juices flowing. Enjoy and have fun. We are having our annual gift card sales board and spa decor challenge again this year for the most creative spa. Will this be you? All entries are due no later than December 3rd, 2018. So I just want to thank you for your time and wish you all a happy selling season.